Hi, this is Trifanas Papadopoulos. Today I'm gonna show you how to build an AI-powered web scraper with Ollama and ChromaDB. This is gonna be a step-by-step breakdown of a Python script for intelligent web scraping and QA. We will analyze this Python script that automates web scraping, text processing, and AI-powered question answering using Ollama and ChromaDB. This script is a powerful tool for extracting website content and enabling users to ask questions about the extracted data interactively. Let's view the script. Here it's all the script you can download, load, and use for yourself. So what does this script do? This Python script detects and stops running Ollama processes, restarts Ollama to ensure a fresh AI model is running, scrapes web page content dynamically, extracts and displays the web page title, processes and stores text data in ChromaDB for fast retrieval, uses Ollama's AI model to answer user questions, allows users to change URLs and scrape different pages without restarting. So let's see if this works. You're gonna run it now. And as you see here, it is searching for Ollama processes running. It stops all of them and it starts a new Ollama process. Ollama has been restarted successfully. Found Ollama, and now we can enter the web page URL. So I'm gonna take this URL. And now we have extracted title and also the content, the number of text chunks created. The web page has been processed, and now we can ask whatever we want. Let's say, what is risk management? So here's the question: what is risk management from? What is the difference between risk management and crisis management? And the answer is risk management focuses on proactive threat mitigation before materialization, whereas crisis management aims to respond immediately to acute situations with the goal of minimizing damage and restoring normal questions. So now if we go to Mindstorm and search for risk management, let's see. We wait for a minute, and here, and if we put them the one next to the other, so risk management focuses on proactive threat mitigation. Risk management, crisis management, and it involves identifying and mitigating potential risks before they become crisis, while crisis management responds to an acute situation after it has occurred. So let's say, what is crisis management? Crisis management focuses on responding to specific immediate threats with the primary goals of minimizing losses and restoring normal operations as quickly as possible. In contrast, risk management aims to prevent potential risks from materializing through an ongoing process that prioritizes prevention over response. Okay. What are the differences between risk and crisis management? Okay, risk management focuses on identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential risks before they materialize, while crisis management responds to specific acute situations with a more focused approach. Let's try a different now URL. So if we just write here change URL, can I go here and choose another, or let's say choose this one. Okay, and we go here, scraping content. Okay, give me the major KPIs. So if we go now to and KPIs for eShop, let's see. Okay, let's try KPIs. Okay. So it says revenue, conversion rate, bounce rate, average order value, customer acquisition cost, customer retention rate, website traffic, social media engagement, return rate, shipping and delivery costs, inventory levels, stock outs, average response time, customer satisfaction. Everything's here. So it works. I can keep on asking things, but now what I'm gonna do is write exit app, exiting the app, goodbye, and that's it. So you see that with this code here, this code here, we can scrape any web page and get all the content, and then it is possible to ask many questions that can help us identify what we are searching for. Hope you find this tutorial intuitive or helpful, and if you do, please subscribe.